Hello viewers, I am Arka and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will share with you about packing essentials for one day motorcycle trip. So recently I have planned a motorcycle trip of around 350 km up down along with my wife and my 1 year 3 months old kid. So in this video I will show you what are the 19 essentials things that you must carry in your one day motorcycle trip. I am sharing this video because sometimes it happens that we tend to pack our luggage just before going out. So this will make your journey delayed by some 1 to 2 hours. So for a one day ride, initial delay of 1 to 2 hours may cost you dearer. So to avoid that, I am sharing this video so that you can pack your luggage for one day motorcycle trip accordingly and in well advance. So let's go straight and see the items. So the essential item starts with one pair of bungee cord. So it is extremely important to carry this because you don't know when this bungee comes in help, but I am telling you this comes in help many times. After that, riding gloves. So currently I am using Mototech riding gloves, you can see, and along with that helmet definitely you must carry when you are on a motorcycle trip. And since my ride is in monsoon, so I have taken all the possible precaution like rain liner from Rhinox and rain pan from Mototech. Now you may ask me why I have chosen to carry rain liner and rain pan instead of complete raincoat setup, because the rain liner of Rhinox is extremely light in weight but extremely helpful to prevent water, and the same thing applies for Mototech rain pant also. So generally the liner that comes with riding gear is extremely light in weight, thus it is easy for you to wear all the day long, and overall it will burden you less because since your journey is for one trip. And next item is waterproof mobile case. Since the ride is in monsoon, so I must carry waterproof mobile case in case I am using GPS and that time it starts raining. So I will put my mobile inside this case or inside this pouch and it will be completely waterproof, but at the same time I can still use the touch functionality of my mobile. Then you need wallet, definitely you need wallet. After that, sanitizer spray. This is also known as surface disinfectant spray, because sometimes it happens when you are going to some resort and you are putting your luggage on a table or chair, so you can simply use this spray to disinfect the surface and then you can put your luggage. And handy hand sanitizer liquid. So on your trip, whenever you need to drink water or whenever you need to take a break for tea, just sanitize your hands with this hand sanitizer liquid. Then microfiber mitten gloves. This comes in help when you need to clean the helmet glass, because if you clean your helmet glass or helmet visor with some other cloth or any other material, it may create scratch, and overall this scratch will hamper the visibility during night time. So I always prefer to carry microfiber gloves to clean my helmet and helmet gloves. After that, what is essential, that is sunglass. It will add to your style statement when you are roaming in your destination. I believe you will not roam wearing your helmet, like you are going to a beach, and you will definitely prefer sunglass over helmet. So sunglass is another must take item. And since it's monsoon, so you need to take umbrella also, because it is once again not preferable to wear all the time rain liner and rain pant. So instead of that you can use umbrella when you are roaming in the destination. And what else? Okay, we need camera accessories. Like here you can see it is camera handle and tripod from GoPro. Here it is mounting adapter, it fits in the helmet in this place, and this is the thumb screw to tighten the camera. After that we need a portable light. This light can act as a flashlight and portable light both. You can see here is a button, so once I press the button the light will glow. You can see there is one green indicator So this light has total 3 mode intensity, and the 4th time pressing will enable the flasher. And long press it will turn off. So this kind of light is extremely handy. So this is a new product from GoPro, you can see, and it's compatible with GoPro Hero 8 media mode. So it can work as your portable torch light, and at the same time it can work as your vlogging setup light, and at the same time it can work as your flashlight. After that, here comes the charging cable. I am not taking the charging unit because my motorcycle has mobile charging system. I believe every long tourer has the same system installed in their motorcycle, so it's better to use only the cable since it's a one-day trip. So you can charge your mobile from your motorcycle only. And after that, I will show you my external mic setup. This is waterproof case from Rode. This is a Rode Smart Lab mic, and this is a far. This far is extremely important when you are vlogging in sea beach. It will reduce the wind noise to a great extent. Another most important thing is that you must carry a duplicate motorcycle key, because many a time it is found that you are taking only one key, and suppose you lost that key, then you are stuck on the trip, and for you the entire team member is stuck. I had the same experience previously also, but I had carried a duplicate key with me that saved me and my entire team. So you must carry a duplicate key and keep it on a separate place, so in case your original key lost, you can use this key to start your motorcycle and come back home safely. Then you need your documents, motorcycle documents, and to pack all this luggage you need top box. I am using the top box from Arka and I. It's a huge top box. It has a backrest over there so that my wife can rest on that backrest, so it will not create any problem for her. And another essential item is this wrench setup to dismantle the top box, because it may happen that during long journey the motorcycle vibrates a lot, and that vibration may cause the nut and bolts of the top box loose. So in order to tighten them or to remove the top box on the go, you must carry all the necessary attachments like wrench, socket, another helping wrench, and this normal wrench, so that you can attach and detach your top box system from your bike completely. This is my entire setup, you can see, for a one-day motorcycle trip. That's all about one-day motorcycle trip essential items you can carry. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, share the video as many times as possible, tap on the notification icon and select all options to be notified regarding my latest uploads. And if you have anything to know or you have some suggestion to give, then feel free to put it in the comment box below. Thank you for watching till the end.